you know, it cracks me up that everybody's all about these double overdrives and these prehistoric transmissions, you know. And they talk about, a lot of people think that because that last gear hole's up against the dash, that it's double overdrive, okay? That is completely false. Go watch the last video that I just have posted, and I explain why that is, okay? I'm also going to explain here why that some people do think that, okay? In the last video, I explained how overdrive and main drive gear was reversed, okay? Well, in those transmissions, it had a normal shift cap on it to where high gear was back here, okay? Well, obviously, when you rotated those gears inside of there, it would put it up against the dash. So that's why some people think that. But again, that's the reason why some people think it, but it's not true, and you can't go by that. I'm going to show you here. Some of the models had that H shift pattern, high gear against the dash. My experience, that's a better shift cap, because in order to get high gear back here, where it is in most of them, you have a pin that has like a butterfly on it, and when you shift it back and forth, it does this number, and it's just a weak system, and it actually gives a lot of trouble, especially in the FRO transmissions. So, I mean, that's a whole nother breed, but it does have what I call the butterfly system in it, where it pivots back and forth. But I'll show you here. Right here, you see this pin? If that's ever loose, you've got problems. That's the back side of the butterfly. I'll show you the other side. You see that thing right there? And right there, there's the pin that comes through the case. And you can see how it works back and forth. See, it shifts forward back and forth. I call that the butterfly system. It gives a lot of trouble. But this is out of a 13 speed, 18.913. Another 18.913. Here's a FRO. Right there's the same pin, does almost the same thing. Here's another 13. If you're leaking oil around this, you've got problems, and it's probably jumping out of gear on you. And right here, here's an older 15 speed. See, it does not have that pin to have that butterfly system. So this one right here will have high gear up against the dash. 18 speed. 18 speed. FRO right here. And right here's one I kept bad. I'm going to put on a core. See that? That's bad. BAD.